Last month we heard that Vivo was working on the X200 FE for the Indian market, in place of the Vivo X200 Pro Mini, which was unveiled in China in October 2024, alongside the base and Pro variants. The Vivo X200 FE is expected to launch in India by the end of June 2025. The device is tipped to launch alongside the Vivo X200 Ultra in the country. The X200 FE could be powered by the Dimensity 9400E SoC, which could be a slightly lower powered version of the Dimensity 9400 SoC, with FunTouch OS 15 based Android 15 like recent Vivo phones. The Vivo X200 FE will reportedly feature a 6.31-inch 1.5K LTPO OLED screen with a 120Hz refresh rate. For optics, the X200 FE will continue with the Zeiss partnership for its cameras. It will feature a 50-megapixel front camera and a 50-megapixel main camera, plus 8-megapixel ultra-wide and 50-megapixel 3x telephoto camera. The X200 FE is said to be equipped with a 6,500 mAh battery with 90W fast charging support. The device is said to weigh only around 200 grams. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.